everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. I'm very excited to announce that I'm going to cook something very special for Christmas just for you. So get ready for festive vibes, surprises, and a celebration filled with love and joy. So today we are cooking delicious vegan cookies, absolutely dairy-free and egg-free. Take a spatula, mix the zest in the sugar. So every granule of the sugar should be coated with the lemon zest. I can smell the lemon zest, guys. I wish you guys can. Please make sure you don't skip this step of adding zest to the sugar granules, because it adds an amazing flavor to your cookies and you will thank me for giving you this tip. Now let's prepare the base of our dough. So I'm taking 4 cups of blanched almond flour, and to that I'll add the lemon sugar that we just prepared. That's with the lemon zest. Mix these all together. So these are going to be our gluten-free, dairy-free and egg-free cookies. So these cookies are egg-free. So instead of eggs, I'm using this egg replacer powder, which is made of potato starch, tapioca flour, baking soda and psyllium husk. So I'll be taking 6 tablespoons of egg replacer powder, and to this I will add 8 tablespoons of water. Now we'll make sure we whisk it so we have no lumps. To this we'll add about half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Before I add the dry ingredients to this, I'll add about half a teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors and give it a nice mix. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. Just fold this from below like this. Wow, I love the smell. This smells amazing. Clean your hands and go ahead and use your hands to blend all this in. I can't get over this amazing aroma that's spreading my kitchen right now. It is yummy. It's so good. Let's keep this aside and let it rest for 10 minutes. I preheated the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to slip in this tray into the oven for 15 minutes. Since we are baking some Christmas cookies that will go with my invitation to my friends, I'm going to decorate it with this amazing frosting that I made at home with plant-based colors. How can we not have colors on a Christmas day, right? Red and green, of course. Our frosting for the Christmas cookie decoration is now ready. I'll be using red and green obviously because it is Christmas and these colors are synonymous with Christmas celebrations. 15 minutes up and it's time to get the cookies out of the oven. So let's do that. There you go. Our beautiful almond cookies are now ready. So we'll let it rest for 5 minutes. There you go, guys. I have transferred the cookies into my serving tray and I'm going to put very cute designs, very basic. Just pipe it like this. And our Christmas cookies my favorite time, tasting time. So let's go. So the best part about this cookie is it's crispy on the outside and quite gooey on the inside. So it is delicious. So it is stunning. It's a big hit. That is my Christmas invitation bag. So I'm going to put in this lovely Christmas bow, just tight here, and make the bag look pretty. With this bow, the bag immediately transforms into a festive gifting bag. So cute, right? So I got these amazing cookie bags, and you can easily slip in the cookie you baked inside this, like this. So easily they just slip in. There you go. And you can seal it with a sticker which says handmade with love. So just seal this like that and then put the sticker like this. There you go. How pretty this looks, right? I'm going to slip in 3 things into the invitation bag. So firstly, the invitation, right? This is the Christmas greeting card and the Christmas party invitation. So these 2 invitations go inside the bag as well. So into this bag, I'm going to firstly put the invitations. So I got this handmade gift set that is very, very special. And this is going to each of my invitees. And this is also going inside the invitation box like this. And then the cookie that we just made, that's going into the bag like this. This is the invitation that's going to go to each of my invitees for the coming up Christmas party. It's simple yet very customized. So my today's 2 cents is on Christmas cookies. So what is a balanced diet on a Christmas? Okay, it is a Christmas cookie on each hand. So balanced. That's the Christmas balanced diet. Christmas cookie on each hand. Life is very short, guys. So eat the Christmas cookies first. Wishing my YouTube family a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Thank you for all the love and support this year. Enjoy the holidays, stay blessed, and I'll see you all very soon. Much love. Bye-bye.